Title Insurance Provider of the Year, I'd like to call up Preston Smith from Corporate Due Diligence Investigations to help give this one away. Welcome and thank you for sponsoring this award.
And we have 4 nominees on the list: Dual Asset Underwriting, First Title, Securello Title, and Stewart Title Limited.
All right. And the winner is for Title Insurance Provider, First Title.
First Title.
No, this way, the stairs. That way it could be an injury. Yeah, I know. Congratulations, Bobby, congratulations. Welcome. So please say a few words and then we'll do some photos. Or they're probably doing photos anyway, but...
Absolutely delighted to win, thank you very much. Really pleased that our achievements this year have been recognised. Firstly, thank you to all our clients who support us. Thank you very much to the lawyers and legal community that we work with who support our underwriting team and our underwriting colleagues, and to the ladies and gentlemen of the jury who recognise those achievements. I'm absolutely delighted, really pleased to win this one. It means a lot to me personally and I'm absolutely delighted. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So step over here and we'll do a photo all of us together. Preston, that's you too. You know.